and welcome to Cooking with Soph. Today we are making fruity flapjacks. We are going to put in a saucepan 50 grams of butter, grams of sugar and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. You may ask an adult to help warm the ingredients. Now I'm going to put the raisins in and the oats. Next I'm going to pour on top is the butter, the sugar and the golden syrup. Be careful not to burn yourself. It smells very nice. And now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to cover all the oats. Also, I've put greaseproof paper on a tin and put butter on it so then it doesn't stick to the pan. It's nearly done. A little bit more. Now everything's covered, I'm going to put it in the tin. I'm going to use a metal spoon. Whilst I'm doing it, an adult can put the oven on for 20 C or gas mark 6. And then I'm gonna spread it out. Now it's spread out, we can put it in the oven. Bye!